Hi guys! So in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine drawer. So if you want to know how we went from this to this, then keep watching. Before you get started with any cleaning, I would just say switch it off and make sure there's nothing inside. So I'm just going to open up the drawer and show you what it looks inside. As we can see, there is a lot of product build up inside, and in some cases some people complain that it smells inside. In this case it's not smelling, but we can clearly see that there's a lot of build up in here. So the easy way to clean this is, first of all, you need to take it out of the machine. And if you notice here, you could see that there's looks like a finger here. So all you need to do is press on that and it will release the catch, and then you'll be able to remove it. So this is what the drawer looks like inside after I've removed it. You can see all where the product buildup is. So I'm going to show you how to clean this. And this is what the actual machine looks like after I've removed the drawer. You can see all the washing powder. Those are the bits that remained that didn't get deposited down the chute. You can see it's all built up there, and it did not get down the chute. Bearing in mind, as we're cleaning this, some of the washing powder and residue might get into the washing machine. That's why I made sure to tell you that you should remove your clothes before you start doing this. If you don't remove your washing machine drawer regularly, you may not even know that this is what is building up inside behind your drawer, and it might get into your clothes. So it's good to do this regularly to avoid this. So I'm going to start just by removing the excess washing powder first of all, and then I will spray something on it and then go and wash the other part. As you are doing this, careful not to let this fall down the hole that you see here, because that could destroy your washing machine. So get a firm grip of it if you are using anything like this to clean yours. So I've just finished wiping down the outer piece with a wet paper towel, and we can see that's already looking much better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to spray the inside. Because we're going to be spraying a chemical inside the machine, and you're going to be in close proximity with that, I suggest you wear protective goggles to protect your eyes just in case any of the particles get back onto you. And I will link this in the description box. All the products I use today will be linked in the description box in case you would like to get yours. This is the product I'll be using, Flash, which contains bleach. It's very powerful. So I'm just going to start by spraying the Flash into the washing machine. Making sure to cover all the areas. This does have a bleach inside it, so be careful. I'll just have to spray the roof of the washing machine off camera because I can't reach it and hold the camera at the same time. As you can see, I've sprayed a fair bit amount in there. So what we'll do now is leave that to get to work and work on washing the other part, the actual drawer. So let's go and do that. So this is the inside of the washing machine drawer. I'm just going to clean it. As you can see, there's a lot of washing powder built up here, and best thing to do is remove this compartment so that we can clean it properly. So best thing to do, just lift it up, take it out. You can see all the gunk that's on there, and this is what the actual drawer inside looks like. You can see I'm just going to rinse it off first, and then I'm going to spray it with Flash. You can see in this part here, a little bit of more build up and a little bit of what looks to be like mold. So what I'm going to do now is just spray the Flash on it and then continue washing it, and then we'll see the results after. Make sure you're wearing your protective gear to cover your nose and your eyes, just in case there's any splashes, and you don't want to inhale this too much because it has bleach inside it. So I've finished scrubbing it, and this is what it looks like now. Everywhere is completely clean. That is completely clean now. No more residue. Perfectly clean. Only if you could smell how fresh it is in here. So I'm just going to put the compartment back on now because it's clean. Everywhere is completely clean. All you need to do is snap it back on, and that's ready to go back into the compartment drawer of your washing machine. Nice, clean and fresh. Look how clean that is. It's amazing what an old toothbrush can do for you. And a bit of Flash. So I'm back. This is half an hour later. So all I'm going to do now is just use an old toothbrush and begin to scrub inside. The smell of bleach is quite strong, so make sure at this point you've already covered your nose and face. Make sure you've got your protective goggles on at this point as well, in case you get any splashes back at you. I'll be really honest with you, as I was scrubbing it, a lot of it was flying around, flying back at me. Make sure you wear your goggles, very imperative. Wear your goggles before doing this. So I'm done scrubbing now. This is what it looks like. You can see all the build-up, all the mold is gone. Now what we need to do is just rinse off. This is where I've been scrubbing. Just need to rinse off places like this so it will all become clear. Hardest part to clean was right at the back, but I was still able to do it. Just have to keep patient with it. This part here is the hardest part to clean. So I've got my wet paper towel here. What I'm going to do is just wipe all inside and to make it clear again. So I'll do that off camera and come back and show you the results. As I said before, as you are wiping around, make sure nothing falls down into this hole here, as that will destroy your washing machine. Be very, very careful. I wet my glove and use the glove to wipe down the rest to get rid of all the residue cleaning stuff that I put in there, and this is the final result. Nice and clean, nice and fresh. All the mold is gone, all the excess buildup of washing powder is gone, and that's how you clean your inside of your drawer, your washing machine. Once you have finished cleaning it, it's easy to put back in. All you need to do is just literally slide it back in. Because the slash contains bleach, I would just recommend that before you use your washing machine again, just put it on a rinse with nothing inside, an empty rinse, and then you should be good to go.